Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and this Microfleur microwave flower press is proof that if you can think of something that can make a craft easier, it exists. Pressing flowers takes time. You usually have to put it in a press and leave it for about 2 weeks. This microwave press takes that 2 weeks and puts it into a simple 20 to 40 seconds. It blew my mind. It is so easy to use. It's about 9 inches square. It's flat, so it's easy to store, and it is completely easy to use. Definitely make sure you read the instructions because you have to make sure what type of watt microwave that you have, and this determines how long of a setting you have on high when you are pressing your flowers. It also has a lot of great helpful tips. It even has care instructions, so just make sure you look at that. The cotton liners can be washed and dried. I like to air dry it in the sun because I live in a sunny place. You iron them to make sure it's going to work for a good long time. Now is not the season for local flowers, so I just picked some from my garden and made a little feel better card. But it was so nice to be able to make something beautiful within a few minutes. Definitely check this out. This blew my mind and I think it will for you. But that's my point of view.